Hey there, eBay sellers. If your eBay account just got suspended, you're probably feeling frustrated, confused, and maybe even panicked. That's normal, especially if you rely on eBay for income or operate multiple online storefronts. But take a deep breath. Whether this is your first suspension or a dreaded permanent ban, understanding why it happened and knowing your options can make a huge difference. Let's dive into the 7 critical steps to win your eBay account suspended appeal, even after a permanent ban. Know why you got banned. eBay has strict policies. Common reasons: selling prohibited items, poor seller performance, fraudulent activity, multiple accounts, unpaid fees, or algorithm manipulation. Check your email for eBay's explanation. It's your first clue. Identify the type of suspension. Is it temporary, indefinite, or permanent? Temporary suspensions last 730 days. Indefinite ones need action for appeal. Permanent bans are the toughest to reverse. Review eBay's message. Understand the reason behind your suspension, policy violations, poor performance, etc., and assess your mistake. Own it if you messed up, gather proof if it's unfair. Collect evidence. Save receipts, tracking numbers, or screenshots like proof of shipment or supplier authenticity docs. This evidence is crucial for your appeal. Do not open a new account, yet. eBay's tech tracks IPs, cookies, payment info, even browser fingerprints. A hasty stealth account risks a platform-wide ban. Appeal your suspension. Find the Appeal This Decision link in your suspension email or seller center. Write a clear, professional appeal with your account details, the issue, fixes, and supporting evidence. Wait patiently. eBay reviews most appeals in 3-7 days. Follow up if denied. Reply to the denial email with more context or call eBay support. Leverage premium status if you have it. Anchor or enterprise store managers can escalate appeals. But what if your appeal fails? Don't despair. Shift to other platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace. Learn from your mistakes and plan a fresh start. Now, if you need to create a new eBay account, do it right. Use a reliable VPN, an isolated browser profile, new payment methods, and most importantly, a new SIM-based phone number. This is where MobileSMS.io comes in. MobileSMS.io offers real SIM card-based numbers, not VoIP. You get a number that works with eBay, even after previous bans. Our long-term rentals give you a dedicated number for 30 to 90 days, perfect for multiple verification codes. Use Slack or Discord to simplify your stealth account coordination. So, ready to restart your eBay journey the right way? Sign up for a MobileSMS.io account now and get back on eBay with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eBay selling tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your appeal.